The first step is to simply go to Expedia, and then what you're gonna have to do. So as you can see, if I go and search for flights, so I'm gonna type in something random just to show you how to change this. So I'm gonna go from Rome to Paris, and then I'm gonna click on search. You're gonna see that we have the currency based on our country. So it can be euros, US dollars, etc. Now, as you can see, I have dollars. So if I want to change this, we're gonna have to simply click on English in the top here. And then from here, we're gonna have to simply click on region. And then we're gonna have to simply pick any of these regions. So as you can see, we have here Euro, but if we go, let's say Saudi Arabia, we're gonna have to simply click on save. Now, as you can see, the currency will automatically change based on your region. So simply click on save, and that should update the prices. So now, of course, we're gonna have to simply type in again. So I'm gonna simply do again the same thing. So Rome to Paris, and then you should be able to see the prices in the currency that you want. So let's see now. Let's wait until this finds us a flight. But as you can see now, we have other currency, a different currency than before. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.